everyone, Gagajoy, Gagajoy's Cooking, and today we're going to do something simple that my whole family loves. It's kielbasa and cabbage. A little anything else you would want to put in it. And let me get my thing going here. It's such a simple meal, and I haven't made cornbread, so might work out okay. I think I'll put my onion in first. Sometimes I get on a cabbage kick. I think I'm on one now. I don't make very good coleslaw with cabbage though. My mother made the best coleslaw. I'm just not a coleslaw person. I don't know what she did differently than me, but it does seem like she did something. Sort of just like cabbage and onions. Kielbasa's just something extra to make it good. And this is real kielbasa. After I've tried the others, and I go back to this one. You can use a type of sausage. I tried that one. I didn't like that one either, so I go back to the kielbasa. I guess I just like the old flakes. Let's see how we get right here. Yep. Get those broke up a little bit. More of these, and we'll cut up our cabbage. I've got 2 little pieces of cabbage here. Thought I'd go ahead and use them. My mother never cut the core out, because actually we all love the core, but not everybody does, so I do try to cut it out if I'm making for with the kids or something. But I always like the core. It's still just cabbage, just a solid piece of cabbage. Just came in from play. That's sweet. On pretty days, Katie barred the door. She loves to go outside. And I like for her to go outside too. Hot again. Just want the meat to get a little brown. The onions get cooked with the cabbage. I like to smell kielbasa. It's probably got so many things in there we shouldn't have, but we can always pretend we don't know about it. Stay on the tough spring. I hope it gets here soon. I'm a spring person. I love April and May. It's not quite that April yet, but I've got to wait. Wait. I wish they'd leave it at David, that say like David's daily. Well, I'm just crazy. Daylight savings time. I don't know what I was trying to say, but I don't think they're going to pass it this year. I thought they'd already passed it, so I heard the president saying that they hadn't decided yet. So. Some salt and pepper here. That's too full of salt. I know I have to add two more. And I love cabbage. That pepper. Teaspoon. Add about a cup of water. Just let it steam for a while. Well, I think we're through. I let it steam about 10 minutes. In the last 10 minutes, I just let all the water cook off of it. It's all gone. So it's time to eat. And this I can do. Well, I hope you'll enjoy yours if you cook it, because it is good. If you like cabbage and onions and kielbasa, you're going to be in kielbasa heaven. So, get you a big piece of kielbasa. Perfect. I like it a little crisp. Sorry, I never know how to do that one. Well, it's kielbasa and cabbage for supper and cornbread. Take care of yourself. Remember the joy. Enjoy the day. I'll see you soon.